Dear students of Standard 9, welcome to Botany class. How are you everybody? Hope you all are well and safe by the grace of Allah. In this class, we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is chapter 4, biotechnology. So, our today's topic is biotechnology and also tissue culture. Okay everybody, now let's start the class. Here, biotechnology is the combination of two words, biology and technology. Biology means the special knowledge about organisms, and technology means a manner of accomplishing a task, especially using technical processes, methods or knowledge. Actually, biotechnology is the organism related technology and it is an applied branch of biology. Biotechnology is the latest biological innovation and as a new branch of biology. Sorry. It has opened new horizons in solving many real problems in different branches of science to improve human health care, to develop advanced type of crop, to increase the quality and amount of crops, to protect the environment. This technology has opened up doors of immense potentials. In this chapter, we will try to know the fact about this technology briefly. So, biotechnology is the using of living organism to produce products that benefit humanity is called biotechnology. And in 1919, Hungarian engineer Karl Ereky first coined the word biotechnology. Biotechnology is an applied branch of biology. At the very beginning of 20th century, genetics developed in different ways and genetics enriched with different information. After the discovery of genetic unit or the nature, chemical, molecular structure of gene and regulating process of biological phenomena, biologists should started research on how the gene can transplant from one living cell to another. A new branch of biology named biotechnology has been established. Okay everybody, now we will discuss the a part of biotechnology or branch of biotechnology is a tissue culture. Tissue culture is a special type of biotechnology. By this process, new sapling can be developed from the tissue of growing region like apical stem, axial bud, node and internode, leaves, flowering bud, ovule, ovary or root. So, the part of plant which is taken for tissue culture is called explant. So, everybody, explant is a small part of the plant that is taken for the tissue culture. Okay, so explant is the part of the plant which is taken for tissue culture is called explant. So, tissue culture is to grow a new plant from a tissue of growing region of a plant, that is apical bud tissue, axial tissue or leaves tissue, on a sterilized culture medium is known as tissue culture. And the process by which the new plant is developed is called micropropagation. Why this process is called micropropagation? Because in tissue culture process, explant is used, and explant means a small part of the plants. That is why tissue culture is also called micropropagation. Okay, and scientists assume that every cell has the ability to devise or ability to growing new plants, and this ability is called totipotency. So, totipotency is a power of developing new plant from a tissue of growing region. Okay, totipotency is a power of developing new plant from a tissue of growing region. Okay everybody, now we will see the process of tissue culture. Tissue culture is a continuous process, okay, and this process is a step by step. First step is the selection of mother plants. The selected plants will be healthy, disease resistant plant with high quality is selected for the plant tissue culture. Okay, the plants which is select for the tissue culture, these plants will be healthy, disease resistant plant with high quality for the tissue culture. Then preparation of culture medium. This one is a culture medium. Okay, this petri dish is a culture medium. For the growth of the plant culture, culture medium are made by mixing proper amount of essential minerals, nutrients, vitamin, phytohormone, sucrose and condensing substance agar to bring the medium to a semi-solid state. Okay everybody, so for the growth and development of plant, it is necessary to prepare a culture mediums. Generally the medium is prepared with micro and macromolecules, vitamins, sucrose, auxins, cytokinins, hormones and agar-agar powder. Then establishment or sterilized medium. Everybody see this culture medium. Then taking the culture medium in a glass container or test tube or conical flask. Its opening is usually closed with a cotton plug. Later in a autoclave machine, keeping it at the temperature 121 degrees Celsius and the atmospheric pressure will be 15 for 20 minutes. The medium is sterilized. After closing the mouth or opening the glass container, it kept in the room with the controlling of light and temperature. Then temperature will be 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, for the growth of the egg plant. Then after the turning of the medium into a cold and semi-solid state, the egg plant are inoculated on it. In this stage, the tissue placed on the medium. Everybody see this figure. In this figure, the tissue are placed on this medium after sterilization. Okay, everybody. In this stage, the tissue placed on the medium and through repeated cell division turns directly into a planted or callus or cluster of cell without differentiation. Okay, everybody. Here, this tissue divide rapidly and produces many plantlet or callus or cluster of the plantlet, and this callus will not be differentiation. Then everyone see this figure. Transfer in root developing medium. If no root is developed in the plantlets by this time, then after attaining a definite height, shoots are cut and again placed in root developing medium. Okay, everybody. Here root is not developed, so if root is not developed, then after attaining a definite height, shoot are cut. Okay, shoot are cut and it is placed in the root developing medium. After some days, it will be seen that here the root is developed and then the plantlet are transferred in the environment or field. After washing with water and putting them outside the room on the tub, and plantlets are allowed to adapt with the external environment. Okay, when the grown up plantlet become fresh and strong, they are once planted in the soil in natural environment. So everybody, the full developed rooted sapling now, here the full developed rooted sapling now slowly and carefully removed from the medium and are to be grown in the tub. Measures each is to be taken to adjust the sapling with the natural condition. Then the sapling are to be shifted to the ground for permanent plantation. Okay everybody, these are the explanation of the process of tissue culture. So everybody, today up to this, thank you.